Hello there. My name is Valerie White Williams, and I would like to welcome you to my latest channel called YouTube Success Strategies. So I am teaching you guys how to succeed on YouTube. And what we're talking on today is how to start a YouTube channel from scratch. But before we get into the topic, I want you to make sure you subscribe and click on the bell so you get notified of all my uploads, and let me know in the description comments what you need help with on YouTube. So let's get into it. All right, so here I am at Google. And so what I'm going to do is showing you, so as long as you have a Google account, you have access to a YouTube channel. That's the way it is designed. I was on YouTube and Google before it actually merged, and it was a really hot mess because I was on Google that far along and YouTube because they got bought out. But for now, anyone who has a YouTube Gmail has access for a YouTube channel. They kind of come together, but you have to do it. So what I'm showing you today is a email that I don't use, that I don't have a channel associated with. So I'm going to show you what to do. So here's what it is. Here I am in Google. There's your Gmail. You see right there. We're going to go into these dots. So this is the thing. It's the dot menus. Google loves dot menus. So that's what you're going to click on. It's going to open this up. Now with Google, you have all these things that you can use. What you're going to do is go into YouTube, okay? And so now we're in the YouTube, how you watch videos. Now here's the thing that's a little confusing with creating your own channel. You have your YouTube account where you watch videos, and then you're going to have to create a separate channel. So right now this is all set up to watch videos, random videos, whatever it is. The links are here, trending, subscriptions. But we want to create a YouTube channel. So what you're going to do is this time you're going to go here and you're going to click on the button which just says R there. And right here, you're going to scroll down. You're going to write create a channel. So I'm going to do this. I don't want to create another channel. I already have so many, but I want to show you how to do it. So we're going to do this. Click here. Boom. Okay. So it says your creative journey begins pursuing your passion. So what you have to do is get started. So I'm going to place get started. Choose your channel. You can use this name or a custom name. So I'm going to use a custom name. I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to call it Inspired Officiant because I do weddings with people. And I don't know how to spell, so I'm going to have to watch and play at the same time. Inspired Officiant. Okay, I understand I'm creating a Google account, blah, blah, blah. Sure. Okay, so I'm going to click that, click yes, and here it comes. Boom. All right. So that has created a channel. Now what they're going to do is now they're going to have you upload all the stuff. So you can upload a profile picture here. You can upload your description, which I really recommend you do all these things. Even if it's just a hobby channel, you can want to make sure you have as much information as possible so people understand what it's about. And then you can add links. Now here's the thing here is if you're not ready to put all this together, you can do it later. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and push through. I'm going to say set up later. There we go. All right, so there it is. All right, I hope that helped, and I hope I helped you find how easy it is to start your YouTube channel just from your Google email account. It's that easy, and here's the deal. I know it's tough to start out, but you have to start. And being a beginner, you have so much resources available to you, and I look forward to helping you on your YouTube journey. So again, if you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments below. Give me any suggestion to help you succeed on YouTube. I'm super excited to help you be a success. All right, thanks for the likes, shares, and subscribes, and I look forward to doing more videos for you. Take care. Bye.